Productions, bitch. That old Social Security not giving me enough fucking money.
That's bullshit.
I can't even make the damn payments on my fucking Lamborghini. Like, what the hell? I thought he was gonna pay for, the government was gonna pay for everything, you know what I'm saying? Damn young whippersnappers in the damn some bitch and video games.
Yeah, it's
So
bullshit.
what you been up to here recently?
Oh, just, you know, chilling in my banana suit.
Wait, what the fuck is that?
What?
Right.
Is that a fucking wolf?
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Get him.
Shit.
Get him.
Oh shit, here comes a wolf. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Herman, are you okay? Herman, speak to me, Herman.
What?
You okay? Oh shit! Come on, Herman. I'll help you to your walker.
Oh, my hip. God damn it.
Do you want me to get the wolf, man?
My hip. Go after him. Go after him, son.
Bring it on, Wolfie.
I stand up like Frank Mir, bitch.
Cody, back off. He's got weapons. Herman, get him! Get him, Herman!
I guess he's gonna be the one that got away. Damn you. I'll get you some other time, wolf man. Ah!
Handcuffed.